Excuse me. Here. Get back that way. Tighten. Oh, you silly boy. I see your tail in there. Get back. Get back towards the house. Beep. Jeez. Stellar, don't encourage him. Thank you. Good girl, yeah. Good girl. Get him over there. Oh my goodness. Rolling thunder. Rolling cats. Oh, look at. Now what? Stellar, you get your little brother over here. Come on, Titan. Come on, Tito. Yeah, there he is. Good boy, I love you. You're such a good boy. Yeah. You're a good boy. You really are. He is so good. Oops. You're such a good boy. Can we see him in there? There he is. Oh, he's... What are you, camera shy now? No. You cute thing. I love you. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Back into this bag of lights. Oh, here's Stellar. Good. Good. You guys... Oh! Did he scare you? Oh my goodness, here's Dolly Dharma. Dolly! Dolly Dharma. My heart and soul. This is my heart and soul here. This cat watches me like a hawk. She watches me for my mood. Titan's going crazy. So funny. Okay, good. He's laying down now. It's okay, Stellar. Everything's fine. Thank you for helping. Stellar's the watch cat. Like a watchdog. This one's my heart and soul. Oh, good girl. Good girl, baby. Nice stretch. We got Jack. Jack's hanging around somewhere. And then we got this guy. Hi. Hi. Do you know how cute you are? I think you do know. Mm-hmm. You know. You know how cute you are. He's so smart. Okay. I love you. That's all for now. This video just got really long. So, we'll end it with Dolly Dharma. Where's Jack? Oh, here's Jack. Hey, Jackie. Look, here's Jack. If you can see him. Hi, Doc. Oh, it's so dark in here. Call him Duck. Because he's so ducky. I love you. Yeah. This is my man cat. Jackie, you're so dark we can't see you. Oh, here he comes. What in the world is going on? You guys are all crazy. Is it the lightning? What? Okay. I'm gonna turn this off. Just tighten again. Alright, I love you guys. I hope you're all having a good day. I love my cats, I mean. Well, and you too. I hope you have a great night. The thunder is still rolling out here. Alright. One love. Look at him. I'm the only human that's been able to touch this cat. And I brought him from Texas. And he was so good. So good. Moving out here in the cat carrier. You sweet little boy. I love you. I love you, Titan. Yeah, you're my little boy. You're Mama's little boy. Good boy. Okay, I'm gonna sign off for now. See if we can upload this video. In lieu of a hiking video. We've now got a cat video. Yeah, this is a sweet little man right here. Oh, what a lover. He a lover. Walk like an Egyptian. Okay. Talk to you guys later. I hope you're having a great night. More thunder.